This is Manhattan right now.
UPS delivery man Tony Mazzella documented his workdays during the pandemic.
I'm at Times Square. Take a look.
I'm not going to say it wasn't scary. It was different. In the early stages of the pandemic, we have free reign of the streets.
Everyone's sheltering in place.
His route changed from mostly commercial to residential.
And this small little truck that you see, basically, there's probably like 200 packages just for this one building.
It was pretty desolate. I mean, ghost town, for lack of a better word.
It's lonely, but at least I'm out here performing a service to the public that's essential.
He served as a lifeline, bringing packages of food, toilet paper, and PPE to people at home. The most important delivery of his 30-plus years on the job?
It's all yours.
The first shipment of the COVID-19 vaccine to NYU Langone.
I was just beaming with pride.
Anthony Roberts was laid off from his job at a car dealership during the pandemic and started working for Amazon 7 months ago, realizing very quickly what it meant to be essential.
Some teachers are, they're expecting the office supplies, and certain kids also, looking towards getting their books.
His job has also been essential for his mental health.
I see kids versus staying home, not seeing anyone.
Pre-pandemic, NYPD detective Fred Washington would work with at-risk youth in person, but during the shutdown,
biggest challenge is to get them on the phone and talk. And some didn't want to talk. Some just had a lot of issues. Some was even running away because they didn't want to be at their own house. I try to get them jobs, online jobs, so they have income coming in as well.
And then he contracted COVID-19.
I caught it working.
There were 7 of us that contracted the virus.
Charles Passarella, the vice president of maintenance and operations support for MTA Bridges and Tunnels, says early on he responded with coworkers to a water leak. Despite wearing masks, days later, they were sick.
I'm in the maintenance field, and we can't do that remotely. They're essential workers. We need to have the bridges and tunnels operating.
He says this has been a tremendous learning experience.
This was very difficult because we had to learn how to do our job, yet be socially distanced, wear proper PPE.
They all say they're seeing more people on mass transit now, more traffic on the roads, and more people renting space. Helping them get through their shifts this past year?
Tony's the best. He's always nice to us.
Thank you notes and small gifts of appreciation.
We are the ones that got to take the extra step to help people out in New York City.
Extra steps that involved extra risk. Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.